Whoa, what you got here?
I got delicious apple.
Very interesting. I'm gonna eat this seriously. What did you do? What do you need, Green? Our new decoration.
What decoration?
Well, it's rolling. Alright, that's enough. Take care for it. Alright, I'm gonna get to it. Whoa! Alright, got sleepers.
So we were going to do moo! Whoa, wait. Today it's Christmas. I love Christmas! Me too. Me 3, me 4. Alright, that's the truth from my great movie of Let's Get Holidays Move. It's Christmas. Well, that's a choice really. Christmas starts at Saturday. Alright, well, thank you. Goodbye.
Way to go, cowboy.
This is great.
What are you waiting for? Early.
That's what you want to make. Come on, Lindy, let's go. Come on, let's go. Holy macaroni. Well, these are going to be a very level for the muffle. Yeah, that's literally the one thing you could play. Might think of Dazzle Apple of the taste of awesome of great. All of your idiots. Oh, and two.
So, we have to get him in.
Whistles. Open to. Woo! Let's move it on! Alright, that's a turn of arenas. That's a creative for my win. Woof woof. Let's go.
Alright. Boo! Ah! Sounds like Garfield and Tattletale getting said Fruit Loops. Ah! Give me some speed. Why not circle leak from a forest friend of yours? Are you kidding me? Also, reality. The Christmas is coming soon. That around the girl. Let's get show on the road. Alright.
We have. So we have to be. Come on, Kelly. Dum 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 dum. We have to.
Oh! You Free to come. Oh! No! Hold on a sec. I'm gonna take a second. Alright, we're here. Oh! Alright. Whoa! Let's start over. That's more like it. Come on.
We have for rule. Easy. Alright, everyone, let's sit down. Alright. Alright, everybody, we have the greatest. So I'm gonna go to a special watching order and the lyrics. So I'm gonna go. Goodbye, guys. I'll see you at 3:30. Bye-bye.
I'm like 2. My wrinkly stride from Animal 4. E for my grounded. Aww. Gripple. Oh yeah. That is good. Oh yeah. Sounds like Garfield Tell 2 Gates and I love that one. Ew. That's good. Good thing. Oh. Oh. There's a treat. Oh.
Oh,
Hello.
oh, welcome to Nico. Alright, thank you for my ride. Oh, well, well, that's a the fruit.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Excellent. Alright. When he's sporting, I don't know.
Well, we got it. Oh.
Oh, cute. Oh, yummy taste. Itsy clumsy. That's right. We're gonna get clumsy back and enjoy the show.
That's right.
All right, let's go, everyone.
Let's click here to fucking show. We are at the rate. Click subscribe and thank you forever because right here in the next episode. Everybody, what's gonna be done for Donut Commander? Good luck.
You can go in and quiet.